Hi and welcome. My name is Ron Joyner. I'm working on a 30-hour Ogee. I have a number of 30-hour Ogee clocks. All of them are American made, and this one here is the first one that is actually Canadian made. And this was made by the Hamilton Clock Company in or around 1876 to 1878. So I'm going to use this video to walk through some of the issues I have with the clock. I have the movement on the test stand at the moment, and it seems to be striking as it should, seems to be running as it should, and I don't anticipate too many problems when I service the movement, but the case is going to be the major challenge. I do know that the company had sandblasted and etched tablets, acid etched tablets. Here's an example of a tablet. Despite my research, I couldn't find anything exactly like it. This is a very well preserved label. On the top of the label are three names. And they are James Simpson, George Lee, and J.E. Collins. We do know that J.E. Collins left the company in 1879, which means that the clock was made between 1876 and 1878. I do see that this one does have an opening, so some of these clocks may have had an alarm feature, and the alarm dial would have been in the center of the movement. This one does not have an alarm, and from what I can see in the case, never did come with an alarm. The case is in not very good condition. It, of course, has likely never been cleaned. However, the big issue is veneer. And as you can see, there's a large strip missing here. This is actually the strip right here. But, I mean, there's pieces out of it. There's original sections of veneer right here, but there's large sections out here, and somebody attempted to glue a little portion in here, which will be taken out, and there might be some little something added here, and a little piece of veneer added here. This was re-glued. This I might save. This goes on the side like this. This top piece here, there is a section of veneer from here to here, so that might be preserved. I'll add one here, a section right here. On the bottom, this strip probably has veneer on it. Yes, it does. So that strip will go down here. And I'll have to add some pieces to that as well. Anyway, so a lot of veneer work needs to be done to bring this clock back. The door looks okay except for a small piece here. The inner Ogee molding looks pretty good. The veneer is intact. So we'll see what we can do. What's nice is, you don't see this very often, is the dust caps. Usually these things, I mean, in many cases, these clocks are missing the dust caps. Not a big deal, but. And the hands look to be original. So Not a horrible amount of things wrong with the case, but it'd be nice to bring this case back to life. Certainly a good cleaning is going to make a difference.